Okay, I'm doing a bike check on my Eastern Boss. Just got it today. Rode some dirt, so it's a little dusty. It's all stock besides the chain. I don't know if you can even see it. Kind of dark here. But everything else is stock besides that. It's a really nice bike, really light. I'm probably gonna get some new parts for it later on. Alien Nation rims, really like those. It weighs like maybe 23 pounds since I put that chain on there. It's a little heavier than the stock one that's on it. I'll let you hear how loud the freestyle is. I'm gonna flip this over. I can get it to flip over. It's alright, but yeah, that's my bike check. Comment, let me know how you like it. Let me know what parts you think I should get. Thanks for watching.